The Hawks ride!
Oh yeah! Woo! Better get some of Nick. Bearing in mind I'm the one pointing backwards. Give it a little thumbs up, Nick.
So this is our second test for a new bike. So do you prefer that to the Harley then?
Yes.
I told you.
What was wrong with the Harley? I feel like I've missed the Harley. I'm going to have to go and test ride one.
No, the Harley was fine. I just feel this is more comfortable, and my knees aren't as acute as all the reviews said, being 6 foot they would be. Plus it's a Honda, so it's really smooth. There's no vibrations at all.
Get a little bit closer to my arse.
Oh my god! That's definitely going in. Excuse the pun. That's definitely going in.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, that's definitely you, that bike, mate.
So what are these going for second hand then?
I think sort of around 4.5, something like that.
Not bad considering I paid 3,200 for 125.
There he is. Oh, look at the Hornet go round. Love that. Go on, one of you can take that there. There he goes. Nicely done. Like that. That's how the Hornet rides.
Now, if you've been watching my channel at all, you'll know that I'm a proud owner of a Herald 125 that I bought in January 2017. So it's coming up to 4 years. After 4 years, it's probably about time to move to a different bike. So what bike would I go for? Well, that's where Honda's Rebel 500 comes in. A bike that came out pretty much the same time I bought my 125 in 2017. And they've just released a new 2020 model, the 500S. Now this is the 2019 version, and I have to be honest, I can't fault it. I absolutely love it. I'm finding this much more comfortable than the Iron 883. Now this bike retails for around 5,800. Now if you compare that to the Iron 883, which is 8,895, that's £3,000 more. But they both reach the same top speed. The Harley can go to about 105, 110, and this can go to about 100, 105. So in that sense, the Honda has it. It's so smooth. Changing gears is an absolute ease.
Where are you? I'm filming nothing.
We're coming.
Oh, nearly.
I've stalled again.
He stalled it and then he tipped it over. Apart from that, it's going all right.
Perfect timing. Should we do that again? Changing gears is an absolute ease. So you wouldn't even know. Wouldn't even notice.
I want to see Matt put his down now.
Oh shit! I want the shit. I mean, all the shit. Look at all the shit on my tyres. Shit.
I really hope this is recording. That was funny.
Nobody help me.
I couldn't. I was laughing too much.
The Honda also has a similar fuel tank, but you actually get more miles per gallon from the Honda, and therefore more miles before filling up your tank. You get about 165 miles on this tank, which is about 100 more miles than Matt's Triumph Bobo. He still loves it though. It also has 6 gears, whereas the i83 has 5. And it has a lock on the fuel tank, which Harley didn't have. Now, if that doesn't make you buy the Honda, I don't know what will. Now, the 2019 version doesn't give you a gear indication, you don't know what gear you're in. But I've not found that an issue at all. It's so easy to ride. Now, I looked online, and for this model, you can get it second hand for around 4,100. Now that is a sweet price for a 500cc motorbike. This is an amazing value for money. And it's such a joy to ride. So would I get one? Yes, please! I would love this bike. Well, I hope that was useful. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you'd like to see any more videos from me, then hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.